Most people think starting a business is the fastest way to get rich, but here's the harsh truth. If your only goal is to make money, starting a business might actually be the worst decision you can make. Today, I'm going to break down why starting a business won't automatically make you rich, what you should focus on instead, and the smarter paths that actually lead to wealth in 2025. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll see money and entrepreneurship in a whole new light. Iniciaré la serie 30. La uno. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we talk about money, business, and building long-term wealth. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you don't miss future videos that could change your financial life. Section 1. The myth of business equals riches. We've all seen the stories, the billionaire founders, the overnight success startups, the entrepreneurs driving Lamborghinis. But here's what nobody tells you. Most businesses fail within the first 5 years. Many entrepreneurs work longer hours for less money than they would have at a job. And even if the business is profitable, the owner usually reinvests every dollar back into it. So if you're thinking, I'll start a business to get rich, the reality is, most people who try this end up broke, stressed, and burned out. Section 2. The real purpose of business. A business is not a shortcut to wealth. A business is a tool for solving problems. The wealth comes as a byproduct of creating value. If you're only chasing money, your business won't last. But if you chase solving problems and helping people, the money follows. That's why the richest entrepreneurs didn't just start a business to get rich. They built solutions people couldn't live without. Think about it. Jeff Bezos didn't just start Amazon for quick cash. He wanted to make online shopping easier. Elon Musk didn't just start Tesla for money. He wanted to accelerate sustainable energy. The money came later, and only because they focused on value first. Section 3. Why getting rich starts before business. If your goal is to build wealth, here's the real order of operations. Get a high-income skill. Before starting a business, learn a skill that the market pays well for. Sales, marketing, coding, design, copywriting, AI tools, finance. Save and invest. Use that skill to earn income, but don't spend it all. Save and invest in assets that grow over time, stocks, index funds, or real estate. Then leverage business. Once you have skills, capital, and experience, starting a business becomes far less risky. This is why so many self-made millionaires weren't really starting from nothing. They built a foundation first. Section 4. The better path to wealth. Here's the truth. If you want to get rich, you don't need a business at first. Instead, you can work on building multiple income streams, freelancing, remote jobs, online side hustles. Invest early. Compounding turns small amounts into massive wealth over time. Use technology and AI tools in 2025 to automate work and scale your income. Think of it this way. Wealth comes from owning assets that generate cash flow, not just from working harder. Once you own assets, a business can be the next level, but it's not. Step 1. Section 5. Common misconceptions. Let's clear up a few lies you've probably been told. If you don't start a business, you'll always be broke. False. Plenty of investors, freelancers, and employees have built wealth without ever owning a business. Entrepreneurs take the biggest risks. False. The richest entrepreneurs are usually the ones who learned how to minimize risks by starting small and scaling up. You need to be a founder to be rich. False. Many early employees at companies like Google, Facebook, and Tesla became millionaires without ever running a business. Section 6. Action steps for 2025. So what should you do if your goal is wealth in 2025? Stop chasing business ideas just for money. Focus on learning high-value skills. Use AI tools. AI is giving individuals leverage like never before. One person can now do the work of 5. Learn to use these tools to your advantage. Invest as early as possible. Don't just make money, grow it. Put it into index funds, ETFs, or even starting a small online income stream. Only start a business when you're ready. When you've built a foundation of skills, savings, and assets, then a business can make you rich, not before. So here's the truth bomb. If you want to get rich, don't start a business just because you think it's the golden ticket. Start by building skills, saving money, investing, and creating value. Once you've done that, the right business will find you, and that's when wealth really takes off. If this video gave you a new perspective on wealth and entrepreneurship, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Do you think starting a business is the best path to wealth, or is there a smarter way? And remember, money follows value. Build value first, and the riches will come.